As there is a considerable presence of foreign countries along with Indian states and union territories in the fair, I would like to share with you that a range of reforms being currently undertaken, including GST, shall enable the states and union territories to compete with each other in attracting investment and business opportunities. Stop. Over the medium and long term, these reforms shall also hopefully result in a job creation, thus contributing to the growth impulses of the economy. Stop. It is a matter of great satisfaction that the Ministry of Commerce and Industry has taken an excellent initiative towards improving the ease of doing business in India with added emphasis on simplification and rationalization of existing rules, procedures, and processes. Stop. Government's recent initiatives on e-governance have begun to show results in terms of more efficient and effective delivery of public services. I recall having been associated with ITPO and IITF while serving the government in different capacities. I am pleased to see it grow into a larger and more inclusive platform now. I take this opportunity to welcome the global business community who have converged here to further trade and business relations. It is encouraging to note that the IITF this year is seeing the presence of 7,000 participants, including representation from 24 foreign countries, almost all states, union territories, apex public sector enterprises, and the MSME and other participants, with around 800 rural artisans and crafts persons. Stopera. I am told that the National Minorities Development and Finance Corporation is also participating along with 100 artisans in this fair this year. I compliment them. I compliment ITPO for the theme of Digital India this year. Stop. Digital technologies, e-commerce, e-enabled and mobile services are major components of e-governance and will over time contribute significantly to GDP growth. Stop. We at the same time also need to make use of our abundant renewable sources to create a society that is self sustaining and mindful of its responsibilities towards the present and future generations. Stop. I believe that IITF will reinforce Indian brands that will in the first instance compete and win against the dominant international players in the domestic market before venturing overseas. Stop. I especially welcome our foreign friends, exhibitors, delegates, and members of the diplomatic corps to this event, which is considered a microcosm of India, a land of vibrancy, culture, spirituality, and peace. Stop. I extend my good wishes to all participants from India and overseas, especially the partner country, the Republic of South Korea. Stop.